No, that's not a toy. We don't want you to put that in your eye.
Doesn't it poke?
Yes, it does poke.
Is it a poking scene?
It is.
Oh. Now, what would happen if Grace took this off and dropped it out of her crib? What would happen if we use this that goes to her doll?
Look at that, lady. Do you like that dolly?
Take a picture of this.
Oh, that's the dolly's pacifier. Sit down.
Look at the flower on it.
Oh.
Yummy. Why can it not stay on Grace?
Sit down, Micah. No. Stop jumping on the couch. Look at you, lady. Happy birthday. You have a pack. Oh my goodness. Are those your new lady clothes? Put your lady clothes on.
Take
Yeah, I
this
have.
tag off. Take this tag off.
Yeah, no, I keep
Take that
restarting it.
tag off.
Oh yes, we have to take the tag off, lady.
Cut it off. Cut it off.
Cut it off.
This is my dress. This is my dress. I still don't use it.
She got her little backpack, and she got a bicycle, and she got some lady clothes, and she got a lady doll. And her king.
And her tricycle.
Take this off. Take this off.
Please.
Please.
All right, let's go ask Daddy to take it off. Oh, no, don't just pull it, Creamy. Well, Nathaniel did it for you, Legs.
Let me put it on. How does this stay on Grace's door? Let me put it on. Mommy, what's this to the door? What's this? What is this?
That's called a pacifier.
Why does the door have a pacifier?
Well, that's what babies have. They have these pacifiers that they suck on. Do you remember the pacifier you used?
You never really worked
They
it.
have these pacifiers that they stuck on. Mommy, put them. You. Do this on.
Let's put them on, lady.
Oh. Can we try putting my new pants on?
You don't have any new pants, Creamy. It's Grace's birthday.
This is my birthday.
Nathaniel?
Take this tag off. You will. Take the tag. Take the tag. Take that tag, Mommy. Take tag off. This part. Okay, on this. This hurts.